Previously on Ready to Die.
Okay, lovelies, I am back with another video. So in this tutorial, I'm actually doing a ponytail. So as you can see right here, I'm just basically prepping my hair, getting it brushed out. I am, getting all the kinks out and everything because I actually just washed my hair. So I didn't have any other hairstyle to do, so I decided to go ahead and do a quick ponytail. So I went to my local beauty supply store, picked up a quick drawstring ponytail, and yeah, so you'll see me basically, doing all of that good stuff. So next I'm going to start with my Eco Styler gel that really helps slick my hair down. I'm actually gonna do a curly ponytail, a curly bun. So I decided to use that to slick my hair down, and as you can see, I'm putting it in a ponytail as tight as you possibly can. That helps get as many squirties, as I like to call it, to tighten it up and get it where you want it at the top. I am just moving the hair around and circling it into a top little bun, and you'll see me like try to bring the bun, make it as small as I can. I feel like the smaller that you make it, or as tight as you make the bun at the top, it's easier to put the drawstring ponytail on. Right now, I'm actually just gonna do my edges. So you see me taking out my edges, designing them how I want them to be. And next, what I'll do is take my edge control brush, and I will slick these bad boys down. Okay, so I'm pretty much finally done with my edges. I have them laid the way I want them. So now I'm actually going to tie my hair down so that I can comb those flyaways down, and I'm actually about to hop in the shower. I know that's backwards, but your girl went to go work out, so I just kind of need to refresh. And now I am back. You just see me twisting the drawstring ponytail. Sorry, I didn't have the clip of. I do have the clip of it, but it was acting like all kind of funny, y'all. But basically, I just twisted the drawstring ponytail, wrapped it around, and now I am just shaping, and doing even more shaping of my hair. And I'm taking some of the pieces out because I want it to be kind of like a little messy, curly girl look. And I am, curling my sideburns as well. So sorry that was up close, but I tried to step back so that you kind of see a fuller picture. So basically, you just really want to shape it until you get it the way that you like. As you can see, it kind of looks a little lopsided right now, but trust the process. Is going to come together, doll. It's going to come together. So yeah, I am just playing with my baby hair to make it look the way that I want it to look. And now I am, playing with my edges again. So what I'm going to do is just add some earrings and throw that in there, and so yeah, this is it. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you are into the hairstyle or any other hairstyles that you want to see me try or that you want to see me do. And okay, yeah, I guess I will check you guys later. Thanks so much again, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.